Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live class. Today we are going to see the assignment key of coordination the linking system, 10th standard lesson. This assignment is for 10 marks. There are 4 objective type questions. Each objective carry half mark. 4 very short answer questions. Each very short answer carry 1 mark. 4 ones are 4. And there are 2 short answer questions. 2 twos are 4 marks. So this is the assignment marks. Okay, right. Now let us see what are the objective type questions and their key. The first objective type question is identify the group belongs to endocrine glands. Here 2 groups are given to you. The first group, A group, liver, gastric glands, salivary glands. Actually this group belongs to exocrine glands. But here the asked question is endocrine gland group. Now let us see second one, B group. Pituitary, adrenal, thyroid. Yes, it is the correct group belongs to endocrine glands. That means the answer is B. Okay. Now let us see second question. Dash is also called fight or flight hormone. Option C. What is that? Adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone is called fight or flight hormone. Okay. Third question. Identify the scientist with the help of given lines. So which lines are given to you? An English physiologist had coined the term hormone. An English doctor, physiologist means doctor. An English doctor coined the term hormone for the chemicals secreted by endocrine glands. Who was he? His name is Starling. What is the correct answer? Starling. Okay? Starling coined the term hormone. Now, fourth question. Identify the expert in the given diagram. Diagram is given to you. And this one is duodenum. And there is a leaf-like gland which is associated with the duodenum. This leaf-like gland opens into duodenum. What is that? X. This is a pancreas. So, what is this? Pancreas. So, these are the objective type questions. Now, let us see what are the very short answer questions. Fifth question. From which language the word hormone is derived and what is its meaning? The word hormone is derived from Greek language. It is a Greek word. Its meaning is to impel. Okay? Yes. So hormone is the word derived from Greek language. Its meaning is hormone means to impel. Okay? What is its meaning? To impel. Now, next question. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of insulin in our body? If insulin is not released, if insulin is not secreted by the pancreas, we get diabetes mellitus. It is a kind of sugar disease. Okay? Diabetes mellitus. So, deficiency of insulin in our body results in the disease called diabetes mellitus. What may happen if anger persists for a longer period? What will happen if anger remains in the body for a long time? So, the regular metabolic activities will be disturbed. Regular metabolic activities. That means breaking of substances and releasing of energy will be stopped. So, regular metabolic activities will be stopped. That means no production of energy takes place, right? What is feedback mechanism? The timing and the amount of hormone released in our body is controlled by a mechanism called feedback mechanism. Timing, that means at what time the hormone should be released in our body and how much of hormone should be released. So all these are maintained by one mechanism. That mechanism is called feedback mechanism. So the timing and amount of hormone released in our body is regulated by a mechanism called feedback mechanism. Okay, right now let us see what are short answer questions. Ninth question is, what responses are shown by the body to testosterone hormone? Once more I am repeating the question. What responses are shown by the body to testosterone hormone? So you need to write points. First one, the hair on the face, growth of hair on the face takes place. Okay? Yes. First one, growth of hair on the face. Okay. Next one, deepening of voice. Deepening of voice. Muscular development. Deepening of voice means some coarse voice, some hardness can be found in the voice. Softness can be seen in the female voice, but hardness can be seen in the male voice. And muscular development, from the maturity stage onwards, in males, the muscles will be developed. That's why muscular development, okay, will take place. Normal sexual behavior, that means from the maturity stage onwards, complete behavior, sexual behavior will be changed. Normal sexual behavior. Last one, male sex organs, growth of male sex organs will take place. That means development of male sex organs takes place. Development of male sex organs takes place. So these are the important changes that we will observe due to the hormone called testosterone. Growth of hair on the face, deepening of voice, muscular development, normal sexual behavior, development of male sex organs. These are the responses that shown by our body to the testosterone. Now let us see what is 10th question. Write a note on body languages of humans or animals when they are frightened or otherwise scared. Okay, yes, let us see the last question. Okay, now the answer is the heartbeat becomes increase, rate of breathing and blood pressure also increases, and hair becomes erect, sometimes goosebumps also can be felt, and pupil dilation takes place, and the skin becomes more sensitive. Sometimes the urinary bladder and rectum becomes empty. These are the casual or normal changes that takes place in our body when the people or animals are in frightening stage or scared stage. Okay, let me write answer on the board. The first one is the rate of heartbeat increases. First point, rate of heartbeat increases. Rate of heartbeat increases. Next, rate of breathing. Rate of breathing increases. Rate of breathing and blood pressure. Rate of breathing and blood pressure increases. Blood pressure increases. Third one, hair becomes erect. Hair becomes erect. And goosebumps develops. And goosebumps can be seen down. Hair becomes erect in frightened stage. Goosebumps also, okay, can be developed. And pupil dilation. Pupil size increases. Pupil dilation. Skin becomes sensitive. Skin becomes sensitive. In scare stage, if anybody touch, that kind of sensation can be seen when the people are in a frightened mood. Yes, next, bladder and rectum becomes empty. Last one, sometimes bladder, that means urination, and rectum, okay, stool, bladder and rectum becomes empty. Okay, these are the reflexes shown in the people or animals when they are in frightening stage. So this is the key of today's assignment, my dear children. Thank you. God bless you.